Hello folks, well we are back on the drill press. So as y'all were seeing, I went ahead and cut off some of that bracket we built and shortened up the old motor mount. I think that looks a lot better, and it still leaves enough room that we could put all the wiring right up in there. I don't know, maybe make some kind of little lid for it. And I had to get a different belt, of course that other belt ain't long enough anymore, and this is an old one that I had laying around for my drill press, but it'll do for now. Later on we'll get another belt. A little bit of a tight fit, but that may be a good thing. Yeah, I think that'll work. And need be later on, if we need to put a little idler pulley on there as a belt tensioner, we probably could figure something out. Maybe right in there. I don't know. I have to think about that one. But right now, I don't think we're going to need it. So, anyway, I believe that looks a lot better, don't you, y'all? Let me know something. All right, folks. Let's get this damn gun thing together. So I decided to go with blue, as you can see. I didn't have any gray paint, and the more I thought about it, I really liked this color. And I said, well, we'll just go with blue. I hope y'all like it. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Oh, and we do have to build a knob for this. I looked around. I didn't find anything that I really liked. But we will get a knob built. It's a little bit stuck. Must be that paint. I need to go up with that pulley a little bit. So, I do have one of these, but it's a little big for this, wouldn't y'all say? So, I'll have to go to Harbor Freight and get another one a little bit smaller. Alrighty then, folks. Well, I think we're done. There is a couple little things I am going to do. I'm going to build a knob to go up here and a few little details, a little bit more on the wiring. But I think I'm pretty much done with it. I do want to get a little vise that'll set up here. I've got one here, but that's a little bit overkill. It would fit down here on the bottom, but it's a little too big up there. So I am going to get a little vise to go up there. And I don't know if it's going to go right here as far as the drill goes. I don't know. I'd figure that out as I use it. But anyway, wanted to tell y'all I appreciate y'all tuning in. Everybody that left me a thumbs up or a comment, I appreciate it. And y'all let me know what you think. I'll see y'all in the next video.